Okay, so here last time I showed you the app that I wrote that we use in order to control the scooter, the real throwing on the real scooter. So now I wrote a whole bunch of other code, and I worked on Hugo's driving program, and now you can go to run, and now you can use the Flutter app to have to be a little bit more gentle. You can use the Flutter app to control the browser. Now this is done by running a WebSocket client, which gives us a TCP/IP connection and a broadcast server written in Python. So now you can see I can turn the steering wheel off the scooter with my phone, and then I can drive a little bit. I cheated a little bit because I made it very slow so that I have a chance. Failed. So this is a Flutter app running on the phone, three.js and JavaScript running in the browser, and a Python bridge between UDP broadcast messages and WebSocket. But I think that proxy we should probably re-implement in Go, because the asynchronous programming in Python is not so easy. So I'll just restart. Oh, now the steering speed, the speed is a little bit too slow. Okay, can finish.